Today, the NC Miata is hitting the track for its initial baseline testing. At this point, the car has received the bare minimum to make it track ready and reliable with zero performance modification. The car is basically bone stock with only Hawk DTC 60 brake pads, and I'm running on nearly bald Toyo Proxys Plus all-season tires. We're out at Sebring International Raceway trying to lay down a baseline time that we can improve as the car develops. The track day did have a few sketchy and cool moments to show, but I'll start out with the fastest lap of the day. So with the Miata as is, it ran a 306, which is admittedly pretty slow. The car felt sloppy overall, with a ton of body roll and some lift-off oversteer thanks to my super worn-out shocks, dirty rear ball joints, and bald all-season tires. That sketchy rear end led to a pretty scary on-track moment. Going into turn 17, I got a nasty slide of lift-off oversteer where the car got really sideways. As this happened, I was headed straight for a concrete wall at about 75 miles per hour. Thankfully I managed to catch the slide, but I'll admit that one had me a little bit freaked out. Also, while on track, I got passed by a few really cool cars, including a Ferrari Challenge car and a Huracan GT3 Evo, so I'll throw those up right now for you to see. So as a whole, the main thing that I learned is that this car definitely has a long way to go. I think the priorities moving forward are going to be a rear suspension rebuild, coilovers all around, as well as some good sticky 200 treadwear summer tires. I think with those things, the entire car setup is going to feel a lot better and more stable with less body roll and less odd things like lift-off oversteer and just general unpredictability. Now that we have a baseline time, we can do these things and then figure out how much further it gets us from there, as well as test the car at other tracks, which we'll be doing shortly. That said, I'm pretty content with how this initial test really kind of went, and if you want to stay tuned with the rest of the NC Miata build series and see how this car develops, be sure to subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for the NC Miata track build playlist. That said, thank you for watching and have a great day.